Hello students, this is the continuation of pair of linear equation 2 variable class 10 mathematics exercise 3.6. In my previous video we have done up to question number 4. Now look at the next question, that is question number 5. (7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5), equation number 1, and the second equation is 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15, equation number 2. 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5, and the second equation is 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. Yes. So why this equation is not in linear equation form? Because there is xy in the denominator in both the equation. The variables should not be in the denominator for any reason. So this time we have xy, that also xy. xy is not the form of pair of linear equation 2 variable. So let's see how can we convert it into linear equation and solve it. Equation 1 becomes, cross multiply, 7x minus 2y is equal to 5xy. Keep it as equation number 3. And equation 2 becomes 8x plus 7y is equal to 15xy. Keep it as equation number 4. Now, there are many methods to further solve this equation. Dividing both the sides by xy is one method. When you divide both the sides of this equation by xy, then in RHS, xy and xy will get cancelled and you will get only the constant. Here what will happen? X upon xy, it will become 7 upon y. And this will become 2 upon x. When you have upon x and upon y, then the previous method, question number 1 method. Let 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v and continue. But that method is little longer. I will teach you a shorter method than dividing both sides by xy. Even though that is given as a method in your book, NCERT book, I am going to teach you another easy method. Keep these equations as it is and solve these two equations just as we consider pair of linear equation. By elimination method, I am going to solve these two equations. X and x. We can make the x coefficient equal or we can make the y coefficient equal. Y coefficients are comparatively smaller, 2 and 7. If you multiply it by 7, it will become 14. If you multiply it by 2, then also it will become 40. So I am multiplying equation number 3 by 7. 7 into 7, 49x minus 14y is equal to 35xy. Keep it as equation number 5. Now equation 4 multiplied by 2. 2 into 8, 16x plus 14y is equal to 30xy. That will be equation number 6. We got minus 14y and plus 14y. So we can eliminate y from both the equation if we add both the equation. So equation 5 plus equation 6 gives, equation 5 plus equation 6 gives 65x minus 14 plus 14 got cancelled is equal to 65xy. 65x equal to 65xy. What can be cancelled? 65 can be cancelled. This x and x can also be cancelled. What is left out here? 1 is equal to y. Straight away we got the value of y. We got y is equal to 1. Now what to do? Putting the value of y in any one equation. So better, this is a similar equation. So putting the value of y in equation number 3. See equation number 3. 7x minus 2y. The value of y is 1 is equal to 5xy. Put the value of y 1. The only thing is that now x and y are there on both the sides. Here also there is x, here also there is x. Here there is a y and here also there is y. So while putting, you have to take care of this. Put the value of y at both the places. So it is now 7x minus 2 equal to 5x, or 7x minus 5x is equal to 2. 7x minus 5x is 2x equal to 2. X is equal to 2 upon 2, or x is equal to 1. So the solution is over. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 is the answer of this question. So no need to divide both the sides, and that will become longer. This is a shorter method. Treat it just like linear equation. The only thing is that there is xy in RHS, no problem. When we do it by elimination method, then one variable will get cancelled from both the sides, and you will get the value of the other variable directly then by putting. Yes. Next question. Question number 6 is same as question number 5. There is xy term in RHS, but these two equations are much easier than question number 5. So all of you do it as homework. Now see question number 7. 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. What is the change here? There is x plus y and x minus y in the denominators. So the method will remain same as we have seen in question number 1. Whenever you have variables in the denominator, the method is same. We will let these 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x minus y as u and v this time. So, let 1 upon x plus y is equal to u and 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. Therefore, equation number 1 becomes, now 10 is in the numerator, so it will become 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. Let it be equation number 3. So equation number 2 becomes 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2. Equation number 4. Now, as usual, either you make u equal or you make v equal. V is comparatively smaller numbers, so let us make v coefficient equal. 2 and 5 can be made 10. So, equation 3 multiplied by 5. 5 into 10, 50. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 4, 20. Equation number 5. Now equation 4 multiplied by 2. 15 into 2, 30u minus 10v is equal to minus 4. Equation number 6. Now plus 10v minus 10v can be cancelled by addition. So we are going to add both the equations. Equation 5 plus equation 6 gives 50 plus 30, 80u plus 10v minus 10v cancel. 20 minus 4, 60. Therefore, u is equal to 16 upon 80. 16 upon 80 is equal to 1 upon 5. We got q is equal to 1 upon 5. Now putting. Putting the value of u in any one equation, equation 3 or 4. I am going to put in equation number 3. Putting the value of u in equation number 3. What is 3? 10u. So 10 into 1 upon 5. The value of u is 1 upon 5. So 10u will become 10 into 1 upon 5. Plus 2v equal to 4. Plus 2v is equal to 4. 10u plus 2v equal to 4 will become 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2v equal to 4. 10 and 5 got cancelled. 2 plus 2v is equal to 4. 2v is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. V is equal to 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. We got u is equal to 1 upon 5 and v is equal to 1. But the solution is not over. These are the values of u and v. Now we have to go back and substitute these values here. We have to substitute the values of u and v in this. So now I am going to substitute the values of u and v here. So you will continue again. Now 1 upon x plus y is equal to u. U means 1 upon 5. Cross multiply. X plus y is equal to 5. This is equation number, I don't know what was the last equation number. And again come to this. Again 1 upon x minus y is equal to v, that is 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. Cross multiply. X minus y is equal to 1. I think 5, 6 equations were there. This is equation number 7 and this is equation number 8. X plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. These two equations are to be further solved. X plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 7 and this is equation number 8. We know that these two can be cancelled either by subtraction or by addition. If we subtract, x and x will get cancelled. If we add, y and y will get cancelled. I am going to add equation 7 plus equation 8. X plus x, 2x, y minus y, cancel. 5 plus 1, 6. X is equal to 6 upon 2 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Now putting. Putting the value of x in equation number 7. Putting the value of x in equation number 7, we get x plus y. X is equal to 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So we got the final answer. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Not much differ. Wherever you see the variables in the denominator, remember substitution. Let 1 upon x plus y is equal to u, 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. We got two equations in u and v. Then by elimination method we have solved both the equation to get the values of u and v. Now putting the value of u and v in this, we got another equation in x and y. Once again we have solved these two equations in x and y to get the final answer x and y. Now see, next question is question number 8. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 upon 8. First of all, I am going to do a simplification. So here, when you compare the denominators of equation 1 and equation 2, you can see that 2 is extra in equation number 2. Otherwise, 3x plus y, 3x plus y, 3x minus y, 3x minus y. But these two 2's are extra here. So first of all, I am going to eliminate these two. How? There is 1, 2, 2 and 8. 2 is common in these two terms. 2 is also common in RHS. So, equation 2 can be rewritten as cancelling 2 from both the sides, LHS and RHS. It will become 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Cancelling 2 from both sides. Now, let it be equation number 3. Now, we will consider 1 and 3 for further solution. In both the places, you can see denominators are same. So, let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to u and 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v. So I am going to rewrite equation. Now equation 1 becomes u plus v is equal to 3 upon 4. U plus v is equal to 3 upon 4. And equation number 2 becomes, equation number 3 becomes, equation 3 becomes u minus v is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Let it be equation number 4 and 5. This equation 4 and 5 can be further simplified either by adding or by subtracting. What to do? Let us add these two equations. So equation 4 plus equation 5 gives u plus u, 2u, v plus minus v got cancelled, 3 upon 4 plus minus 1 upon 4 or 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. If you can do it directly, then well and good. Otherwise, you can write and simplify. That is 2u equal to 4 LCM 3 minus 1, that is 2u equal to 2 upon 4 or cross multiply 8u equal to 2, u is equal to 2 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 4. You got u is equal to 1 upon 4. Now putting. Putting the value of u in equation number 4. U plus, that means 1 upon 4 plus v is equal to 3 upon 4. V is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. You got u is equal to 1 upon 4 and v is equal to 1 upon 2. Now, as did earlier, we are going to substitute these u and v values in this let. So, I will come back to this. So I am coming back with these values. Now 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to u. U means 1 upon 4. Cross multiply. 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is equation number 6. Again 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v. V means 1 upon 2. Cross multiply. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Equation number 7. So, once again we have two equations. Equation number 6. 3x plus y. Here 3x minus y. You can very easily eliminate both the equation. 3x plus y is equal to 4. Equation number 6. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Equation number 7. It can be cancelled very easily either by subtraction or by addition. Let us add. Equation 6 plus equation 7 gives 3x plus 3x, 6x plus y minus y cancel. 4 plus 2, 6. X is equal to 6 upon 6 is equal to 1. So finally we got the value of x. Now putting the value of x in equation 6 or 7, no problem. I am putting in 6. 3x means 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. Putting the value of x in 3x. So 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3, that is y is equal to 1. So we got the final answer. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So these questions of exercise 3.6, almost all the questions are very important. These are the repeated questions of board exam also. So please try all these questions once again and do similar question from any other books and ask your doubts. Until then, bye bye. Please take care of you and practice this exercise well.